The question is what is a loss of use claim? If you own a vehicle that's been in an accident and you can no longer drive it because of the extensive damage, or you can't drive it because it's in the shop being repaired, you have loss of use of your vehicle. So the question is how do you get compensation for that loss of use? One way can be is that the insurance company of the at-fault vehicle will provide you with an equivalent rental vehicle. But another way is for you to get cash compensation for your loss of use. And the best way to quantify that is what it would cost to rent a similar vehicle. Our office has been representing the owners of high-end vehicles, ordinary production cars, and also commercial service vehicles in loss of use claims for years. If you have a claim, give us a call. We can investigate the case to see if you have a claim.